is the Fire Hulk. So then when he's angry, he also has fire.
Hi, my name is Mikaela. And my name is Nayara. Today we're gonna be doing the 2-minute 3-marker challenge. The first picture is Hulk.
Gangnam Style.
This Hulk's face.
Yeah.
1, 2. I'm scared.
3.
Oh, look, I got light colored.
I got, I think
Why
it's
is
a
this
pink.
all light colored?
Light pink, red, and orange.
Okay, so mine is purple. And lightish, darkish pink.
It's dark.
And yellowish orange.
Yeah, yellowish orange.
2 minutes starts. 3, 2, 1. You got roses. And then here.
Mine is the Fire Hulk. So then when he's angry, he also has fire. And he bursts out fire out of his head because he's very angry. Vote for me.
So mine is
And mine's better.
Amazing Hulk. You know why his like forehead is pink? He's doing like he's doing a fight with Captain America, and he got hit. And they're gonna say, "You're Hulk." Stop it. And then remember, vote for Nayara, me, and Mikaela loses.
No,
And then
I win.
And if you think I win, comment down below. Hook, Nayara wins.
And if you think it's me, vote, write in the comments. Hulk is better when Mikaela draws it.
And don't forget to give the hashtag on it.
Oh yeah, hashtag Hulk Mikaela.
Hashtag Hook, Nayara wins.
And the next picture is
Pokemon! Pikachu! Okay, I'm scared. Peach, good.
Oh my gosh. 1, 2.
King! Ha! Ha! I need one more. Brown. And who cares? This was good.
So the colors that I got was a light gray, a dark green, and an orange.
Too bad, Mickey got dark colors.
No, orange, I can still use it.
I only have one dark color. So mine is a dark brown, then a dark pink, then a light pink.
This is like,
I think this one is light pink, and this is peach.
and the 2-minute 3-marker challenge starts in 3, 2, 1.
So mine, this Pikachu has freckles and nail polish on hand and feet, and this thing is a bit messy, but I don't really care. And this is a pattern one, and this in here is like a mixed color gradation. And then if you think I win, comment down below, hashtag I love Nayara. And then remember, vote me, 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 vote me.
A few moments later.
And Mikaela will
Vote
lose
me.
again. Just telling.
This is my Pikachu. It's very good. It has
So
grass.
boring.
It has grass on it.
Hey, you popping my freckle.
I don't care. And then it says vote for me. And then if you want to vote for me, comment Mikaela, hashtag Mikaela will win, hashtag Mikaela's Pikachu, hashtag I love Mikaela, and vote me, vote me, vote me, vote me, vote me.
No, vote me, not her. You see, this one is more like,
But mine's original.
mine is more pretty.
No, but yours is girly and Pikachu is a boy.
Mine is more like girly. You like girls more, right? Then you take this. Girls, you should get this.
Well, who do you think will win? Me or her? Remember, don't forget to comment the hashtags.
Hashtag I love Nayara.
Hashtag Mikaela's Pikachu. Hashtag Mikaela will win. Hashtag I love Mikaela. Comment down below who do you think will win. And subscribe to Vision Kids.
And don't forget to like and
share this video. And vote for me.
Vote for me.
Or me. Bye!